Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the portable prefabricated tiny home, the perfect solution for families and remote workers looking for a versatile and durable housing option. This 13x20ft mobile expandable plastic prefab house is customizable in terms of color, size, and configuration, ensuring that it meets your specific needs and preferences. Whether you need it for a hotel, booth, office, guardhouse, shop, villa, warehouse, or workshop, this prefab home can be customized to fit your requirements. Constructed with a steel frame and flame-retardant foam wallboard, this container home is not only waterproof and thermally insulated, but also earthquake-resistant, grade 8, and wind-resistant, grade 10, providing safety and durability for you and your family. The expandable design of this prefab home allows for easy transportation and simple assembly and disassembly, making it suitable for frequent relocation. The multi-window design ensures abundant natural light in the interior, creating a bright and inviting space for living and working. With full electrical wiring to USA standards, this prefab home provides flexibility for customization and is suitable for a wide range of applications, including commercial housing, schools, campsites, temporary hospitals, backyard guest houses, and more. If you are in need of a versatile, durable, and customizable housing solution, be sure to check out the portable prefabricated tiny home through the link in the description below and make a smart investment in your future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and recommendations. Thank you for watching.